Hi my friends, today we model this part, sheet metal part, with this drawing. We start by creating this contour, dimensions 23, radius 16, diameter of 16 and 80. Let's get started. New sheet metal part, new sketch, this plane, and we draw some lines and arcs. This is the first. Press the left button, get down, then somewhere here to be tangent, and back to the center point. We create also this circle. Dimensions, radius of 16, 23, diameter of 16, and 80. Fully constrained sketch. Now we go here to change the thickness to 1.5. We use the face tool for this. Okay. Now we create this flange of 22. Flange 22. Okay. Then this flange of 22 again, but with the width of 62. We apply flange, this edge, this solution, and we have to place a dimension here, a dimension here. Let's see which one is to be 0. This 0, and the other is 80 minus 62 dimensions in the drawing. Another flange is this one with 12 dimension. Then this two chamfers have 2 at 45 degrees. Flange, select this edge, dimension of 12, okay. Then corner chamfer, we select this edge, we place here 2 millimeters, apply, and okay. Next feature is this one, 6 and 3 are dimensions. We use the tool hem, we select this edge, and we change the values here. This is twice thickness, and this is 4. Okay. The last feature is this slot. Dimensions 34, 10, radius 3, 10. Once again. We select this face for a new sketch. The sketch is a slot, center to center, 34, and 3 multiplied by 2. Dimensions, this is 10, and the other is also 10. Finish sketch, cut. Okay, this is the part, my friends. We can apply the flat pattern, and you see the result. Back to the part, and let's see what is the volume. High properties, physical, update, copy, close, double click, and the new value is identical with the previous one. Cancel. Then we apply material to be stainless steel. We go to view, default IBL to be default lights. Now we see no difference between these two. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.